Thesaurus Payroll Manager facilitates the setting up of employees using the Revenue Payroll Notification, also known as RPN. This is particularly useful if you are new to the software and have a number of employees to set up. First, add your company into the software by going to File, then Add New Company. Next, go to Process icon number 2, the RPN Import Utility. The software will automatically connect to revenue systems and retrieve all available RPNs, which will then be displayed on screen. When ready, click Update. The screen that now appears for you will indicate that you have employees in the RPN which cannot be matched to any employee record in the system. To create employee records for these employees, click Add some or all of these employees to the payroll. On the next screen, indicate which pay frequency type you wish to add your employees to, and move the employees across as required. Click Finish when complete. Employee records will now be created for the selected employees, which can be accessed through Process icon number 1. When setting up employees using an RPN, it is important to note that this will only bring in the information that is included in the RPN. For example, the employee's name, PPS number, and revenue details. Further manual entry may be required in each employee record for employee information that is not included within the RPN. For example, the employee's rate of pay, email address, bank details, and additions and deductions. As a default, imported employees will also have their payment type set to cash and their PRSI class to A1, which can subsequently be changed for each employee as required.